Hello, my name is Mina. Are you ready for another future lesson? Let's start.
Can we use will and simple present tense in one sentence? Of course, yes. We can use will plus simple verb and simple present tense to talk about future. Use these words to connect your sentences. As soon as, until, when, before, after. It's impossible to understand well without examples. I will call you as soon as I get home. She will go to bed after she takes a shower. They will have lunch before they go to work. You will practice English until you learn well. He won't go to work by bus when he buys a new car. All the sentences on the left are with will and base verb. All the sentences on the right are in simple present tense.
Now it's your turn to make examples. Write some sentences with the words I give you. Turn on the TV. Take out the garbage. Clear the table. Have dinner. I think that's enough. Next lesson will be about another form of future tense, so subscribe to my channel to get a notification when it is uploaded. Have a good time!